Welcome back to Taja Keyboard. Today's a first for the channel. We're building a 40% for our friend Tristan. He wanted something more portable to take on his exchange, so here we are. In the bag, there's the Vicious 40 from Ken & Keys in black. Nice anno finish as expected. The kit also includes some basic accessories. Here's a lot of polyfill, probably too much for the board. Got an FR4 plate because it was free to bundle. And a soldered PCB, also free. And there are stabs and the other basics. Looks solid for the price, but it feels kind of basic. We've got some Cherry MX Blacks in the Fang Studio 4x4, about 1,000,000 actuations each. These should be real smooth after some lube and film. Next comes the switches. We used Krytox 205 grade 0 and some TX films. Normally, we recommend testing your PCB before putting everything on it. Luckily, for us, it all works. Time to solder it all together. This actually only took about 20 minutes, which is probably my favorite thing about 40%. And there we go, all done. Honestly, the most annoying part about this whole build is trying to use this small, crappy Allen key. I didn't hold it the same way a single time. This board is top mount, so I think it might sound a little hollow. We'll see. But I have a feeling it'll turn out the way June's Savage did. Click on the top right button if you haven't seen that yet. Looks like I finally figured out on how to use that Allen key. Feet go on, nothing crazy, just some basic bump-ons. Let's wipe off that dust too. Last to go on are the caps. Tristan chose the NicePBT Shinbuns. Here's what the board sounds like stock. That actually doesn't sound too hollow. I think we can still get it better though. Let's try some tape and the polyfill. Much better. Hopefully Tristan enjoys his board. I'm interested to see how he handles no numbers. As for you guys, I hope you enjoyed the build. Peace.